Going to the third sub question, we have 2x plus y equal to 1. Now, among 2x and y, we have to look at the coefficients of x and y and see which coefficient is 1. Now, clearly here, the coefficient of y is 1. So, we leave y here and take 2x on the other side. So, the next step would be y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So, let us write the equation 2x plus y is equal to 1. So, we have the equation 2x plus y equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Now, once we get y is equal to 1 minus 2x, we can put values for x and get the corresponding value for y. So, first we put a positive value for x. So, say suppose I take, let x is equal to 4. Now, x is equal to 4, therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 2x. So, 2 into x. 2 into x is 4, so 2 into 4. Y is equal to 1 minus 2 into 4 is 8. So, y is equal to 1 minus 8. Sign of the bigger number is minus. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now, going to the next one, I told you the first two steps we repeat as it is, that is 2x plus y is equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 2x. Here we have taken x as a positive value. Now let us take x as 0. X is 0. So now we find the value of y. So y is equal to 1 minus 2 into x is 0. So y is equal to 1 minus 2 into 0 is 0. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Going to find the third value. First two steps as it is. That is 2x plus y equal to 1. Therefore, y is equal to 1 minus 2x. We took x as a positive value, 0, and now we will take x as a negative value. Let us take minus 2. If x is minus 2, y is equal to 1 minus, here 2x. So, 2 into, in place of x, minus 2. So, y is equal to 1 minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 2 into 2, that is 4. So, y is equal to 5. Now, I can easily put my values in the table. In the first column, what do we have? X value. Then we have the y value. Then we have the coordinates of the point, that is x comma y. Let us look at the values and put it down here. First coordinate is 4 comma minus 7. Okay, so we write 4 here minus 7. Therefore, here 4 comma minus 7. Look at the second one. Here the x value is 0, y is 1. So, 0, 1. Therefore, the coordinates will be 0, comma 1. Going to the third set, where the x and y values we have. X value is minus 2, y value is 5. So, we write here minus 2 and 5. Therefore, the coordinates will be minus 2, comma 5. Now, we go to draw the graph. What is the first coordinates here? First pair of coordinates, 4 comma minus 7. X is positive and y is negative. Therefore, it lies in the fourth quadrant. So, we mark the point 4 comma minus 7. Look at the graph here. 4 on the x-axis. Okay, we have here 4 on the x-axis and minus 7 on the y-axis. So you see here 4 on the x-axis and minus 7 on the y-axis is this point. So we mark it here. Just mark it as A in bracket 4 comma minus 7. Okay. Now we will see which is the second coordinate. Here the second coordinate is 0 comma 1. When the x coordinate is 0, where does it lie? On the y-axis. So we will see 0 comma 1 on the graph. Okay, here we said it lies on the y-axis, 0 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. So this will be point B 0 comma 1. So we have marked the 2 points here now, A and B. We have yet to mark the third point, that is the point C. Let us see the coordinates now. The coordinates of point C are minus 2 comma 5. So marking now minus 2 comma 5 on the graph paper, it will lie in the second quadrant because x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. Minus 2 is here, so we keep the scale here. 5 is here, so it will be this point. We mark it. This is the point C and write against that minus 2 comma 5. So now we have to draw the graph of this line. Means what? I have to keep the scale in such a way that it will pass through all these 3 points. So I keep the scale like this such that it passes through A, B and C and then draw the line. Okay, so I start drawing the line from one end of the graph to the other end of the graph. So look here, I am drawing the line. I continue drawing this line passing through A right up till the end of the graph paper. So I have drawn the line passing through the points A, B and C. What is the next last step after drawing the line? We have to write the equation of the line against it. Let us see what is the equation of the line. The equation of the line is 2x plus y equal to 1. So now I write the equation of the line against this 2x plus y is equal to 1. We have forgotten to put arrow marks on either ends of the line. So here I have put one arrow mark and right down I will put the other arrow mark. So this is the graph of the equation 2x plus y is equal to 1.